Animals and their home. Just like we live in our home, similarly, animals also have their homes or shelters to live in. Now let's see one by one the name of animals and their home. Dog. A dog lives in a kennel. Elephant. Elephant lives in a forest. Bear. Bear lives in a cave. Tiger. Tiger lives in a den. Deer. A deer lives in a grassland. Horse. A horse lives in a stable. Cow. A cow lives in a shed. Lion. A lion lives in a den.